Salam. Today, we will be doing the exercise of Chapter 1, Class 11 Statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Let's start by looking at the index. All the questions of this exercise are available on my channel. Do watch them for better understanding. Note, questions 1.9 and 1.10 are as short videos. Now, let's move on to question 1.4, part 1, where we need to use the summation sign with an appropriate index for the variables. Part A. y3 plus y4 plus y5 till y15 will be written as summation y, having upper limit 15 and lower limit 3 as it starts with y3 and ends at y15. Part B has y1 power 2 plus y2 power 2 plus y3 power 2 plus y4 power 2, which is written as summation y power 2. Lower limit 1 and upper limit 4. Similarly, part C is written as summation y minus mu brackets raised to the power 2, and the upper limit is 3 and the lower limit is 1 as the first subscript of y is 1. Part 4 starts with by20 and ends with by30, so the answer is summation by in lower limit is 20 and upper limit is 30. Easy, isn't it? Moving on to question 1.4 part 2. Here we have to expand the summation and products. Part A is the summation y, having an upper limit 5 and a lower limit 1, so it will become y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 pkus y5. Next we have the summation of y minus mu, which will become y minus mu starting with y subscript 5 and ending with y subscript 8. Part C is the summation of y power 2, having a lower limit 1 and an upper limit 3. So its expanded form is y1 power 2 plus y2 power 2 plus y3 power 2. Moving on to part D, which is expanded as y2 minus 9 plus y3 minus 9 plus y4 minus 9, as it is the summation of y minus 9, lower limit 2, and upper limit 4. Next part A is the product of y upper limit 3 and lower limit 1, which will be expanded as y1 multiply y2 multiply y3. Part F is product of a y whole square, which is expanded as a y3 whole square multiplied till a y6 whole square, as the upper limit is 6 and lower limit is 3. Lastly, we have part G, which is the product of x minus y, having lower limit 2 and upper limit 4. So it is expanded as x2 minus y2 multiplied x3 minus y3 multiply x4 minus y4. Here remember x and y both are variables, so they both will have the subscript. I hope you understood this question. Now let's quickly do the next question 1.5, where we need to classify the following as categorical, discrete, or continuous variable. Type of insect is categorical variable, weight of plants continuous variable, as in fact the weight changes continuously every second. Major crops of Pakistan categorical variable, as it includes wheat, rice, sugarcane. These can be measured numerically afterwards. Number 4. Level of satisfaction is categorical variable. Teaching standards is also categorical variable. Temperature measured in Fahrenheit is a continuous variable. Remember, usually temperature, height or weight is always continuous, as it changes with time every second. That's all for chapter 1. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.